give me love, give me love, give me love. She give me good love. I just see it, say me love her so. And she's a blessing from above. My girl, you know you're good so. Anything you need.
Last time on Sailing Karis, we made it to St. Thomas. But the kids had had so much fun on some boards in Puerto Rico that our first stop was we needed some real good boards.
Worse than anybody I ever saw in my life.
All right, Tuck, what'd you just get? Some boards?
Well, Dad got them.
Yeah? Oh yeah, Mom didn't have anything to do with it.
Nope.
What, are you guys excited?
Oh, yeah.
We gotta go get some waves now, don't we? After we landed the boards, it was time to cruise on over to St. John.
So we made it across the straits between St. Thomas and St. John, and been sailing past Hawksbill and Caneel, and we can see Maho in front of us up here, and that's where we're going to stay tonight. And this is kind of like the end of our main goal. We made it all the way down the thorny path as soon as we parked right up there, and I don't know, just kind of a dream come true.
That doesn't mean we're done though.
Oh no, we're not done. This journey is not over, but to make it here is kind of a big life goal. It's really cool. Hurricane damage has been substantial on this side of the island. Not the Hawksbill, the Caneel Bay Resort, which was a very high-end resort, is just completely trashed, and all of the buildings are missing the roofs still, and it's just pretty insane. So we're here on the east end of St. John in Coral Bay, and of all places we've been, this is probably the worst. This is as bad as Marathon, Florida, and it is just absolutely destroyed. You can see all the electric crews are putting up new electric poles and running wire. So it's pretty tough. The national forest that we drove through is just absolutely flattened. Everything's brown. But on the flip side, we can say that St. John is making a comeback.
Hey guys, so I'm here with Evan and we're at some beach, I don't know. And as you can see, we have built a big fort. This is just our room. Okay, Tucker has got a room somewhere over there. And we have spent hours and hours and hours on this thing.
Yeah, would you like crawl through and...
And she's gonna demonstrate how we get out and how we get in.
This is a...
And that's our little hallway. And then we come out our living room. And then there's our little doorway.
I'm sitting here now.
And there's the doorway.
What are you guys doing? Yeah, what are those, do you think? Sea grapes?
No, they're not.
No?
We're gonna pretend that eagles to the big.
So now they're destroying it so that we don't do any damage to sea turtles in the big holes. They're having some sort of battleship. Tuck flipped his kayak and it almost sank. He went to the raft. And a paddle.
We're about to catch tarpon.
We're doing a little bit late night fishing, set up a hand line that I think will work. Don't know, really know.
It's not going to be pretty.
It's not going to be pretty. We've looked up tarpon. It is rarely eaten while edible, but I'm going to take it a little farther and I'm going to clean it myself, eat it, and I'm just going to man up and do it.
None of this sounds good.
Oh Lord. Pelicans and Indians Island. That big one is the Pelicans. These are the Indians. The coral's still kicking. I thought we might dive it to see if it was good, and it was pretty decent. There's nice wall dives, and there's some pretty big jack crevalles and stuff like that down there, and it's just pretty nice.
Yeah, Richard Branson in his 100-foot catamaran decided to race us. Just the world needs to know we whooped him with our motors on. We are about to fly the Spinnaker for the, let's see, it's the third time it's ever been flown, second time we've ever flown it, and first time we've ever flown it on our own. So I think I got it all wired up right.
Oh wait, you forgot the time in Cuba.
We don't need to talk about that.
Okay, so this is the first official time, technically.
Second.
Just the two of us.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Come on.
Tropical beauty is what you possess, and I
You guys.
Thank you guys so much.
Oh, what's supposed to be like a new?
Sure. Oh my. Tucker received a big envelope of handmade cards from each student in his class, from Miss Debbie's class at First Baptist, and they were precious, and he loved every single one of them. I bet he'll read them more than once, and he loves them, and he thanks you.
Whale!
That's a killer whale!
Whales! Whales! That's a humbug!
Whales will only travel in pods. They won't travel by themselves.
Oh, that's good to know. Wow! That is a monster!
I have corrupted you. I have corrupted all of you.
What are they doing?
They're talking. Oh, please come see us again.
Three. There's one baby and two big ones. Just a minute ago, you could see almost the whole.
Yeah. He might, as a defense mechanism.
You don't want to abandon shell. Oh my gosh, you made him abandon
What's the matter, Sarah?
The crab crawled out! Oh, the crab crawled out! He doesn't even care! The baby!
Oh no, he wants it.
Where is he?
But you got him, that's all I'm at.
Wow, that's
Oh my god! What is? Oh my god!
woohoo! Look at this, Sarah.
Amy!
we doing here, Mom?
We're going through Stable Rock Cut. I don't know, there's lots of buoys and it's a little stressful. So we're gonna go fish. We're gonna get fish on.
So we're in Virgin Gordon Sound and we're just getting ready to go by the bitter end. As you can see, it has been banged up. But we've never been out through the cut. We're going to go down the east side of Virgin Gorda and get out of all these boats. Tons and tons and tons of sailboats, more than we've ever seen. Here we go through the cut. I don't want a braid.
You're gonna get one.
No.
Amy Kate, what's the deal tonight?
Everyone's getting a braid.
Ooh.
I don't want a braid.
Here, Amy, hold this.
I don't want a braid.
What?
I've already started the revolution.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy.
I think this is awesome.
Where are we? Tell us what this is.
We are in St. Croix, hanging out at the monument and enjoying some Good Friday jazz with the kids and relaxing after the Coles have gone home, and we're waiting for the family to show up.
Yes, mango.
Goobers.
Mango Fanta boys. Try it. Do a little cheers
Told you they'd measure.
to some St. Croix jazz. And verdict is... Is orange still your favorite?
Orange is my most favorite, grape is my second most favorite, and this is my third most favorite. And fruit punch is my worst.
Okay.
But I haven't tried pineapple.
Uh-uh.
Treasure Cave we go. Ahoy, matey.
Bring me back some treasure.
Bring me back an alligator.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Oh, fruit roll-ups. I love these things. Thank you, Travis.
And from BB and me.
Whoa! Back in Puerto Rico, I wanted one so bad.
Well, now you got one.
Oh, I don't know where to put it for decoration.
Oh.
Hmm.
You just need to make a kitten for it.
Jolly Roger.
It's the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah, you know, no. She give me love, give me love, give me love. She give me good love. I guess
This is not a bad life.
anything you need, let me know. She give me love, give me love, give me love. She give me good love. I just see it, say me love her so, and she's a blessing from above, my girl.